We're here at 202 Dryden Road to see apartment B, a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath apartment on the second floor of this 3-floor building. We've come up the stairs from the main level. You can see the entryway down there. And we're on the second floor landing where there's 2 apartments, apartment B and apartment A. Those are both 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath apartments. Above us on the 3rd floor is a 10-bedroom apartment. Let's go on in and take a look at this apartment here in Central Collegetown. Okay, so this is a long apartment with rooms starting from the Dryden Road side and going along the back of the building. So let's go to the front of the apartment first. You can see we've got the living room space here. It's a cozy little living room. You can see we have a sofa, coffee table, chair over here, TV. A nice feature about these 2 front rooms, the living room and the front bedroom, is that they'll have an air conditioner. So this is a feature of just these 2 front rooms. We're here on Dryden Road, and across the street from us you can see the Brazano Family Center. So you can see we are right in the center of Collegetown. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. We'll start at this front bedroom. Now this will be the smallest of the bedrooms. However, remember you've got the air conditioner in the window right here in the front. And this will be the brightest of the rooms. We have east and south exposure. So we're on Dryden Road, the brightest room with an air conditioner, but it is the smallest room. Now here in this apartment, I want you to take a look especially at the closets. They're all very different. This one is one of the ones with an open closet, so it's a smaller closet space and it is an open closet layout. The bedrooms will all have a desk and chair, dresser, bookshelf, and a regular full-size bed. Okay, let's go back to the next bedroom. Passing through the living room. So you can see that long hallway. I like that rounded arch right there. That's a nice feature. Okay, here's the next bedroom. Room number 2, or B. This is a nice sized room, a double window, although we're starting to get in between the buildings, so you're just gonna have a view of other buildings outside. Again, same furniture. This is another open closet layout, but it does have a double set of rods in here. Bedroom 2, so a bigger bedroom with an open closet. Okay, we're passing by the entrance where we came in. We're going towards the back half of the apartment. Here's bedroom 3. It's about the same size as bedroom 2, also a double window. Same furniture. This one we have a closet with a door. So if you like a door on your closet, this is the room for you. There you go. Okay, closet for room 3. Okay. Let's go on to the next set of things. Oh, here past the entrance is a coat closet. This is great extra storage. It's just a little nook of a closet, but it has great space for you to tuck some things away. This apartment has a nice feature. It has a half bathroom. So a half bathroom is just a sink and a toilet. So you can see in here. That's handy to have. And we're also passing by the full bathroom. Let's peek in there before we see the kitchen and the last bedroom. Okay, so here's the full bathroom. It's a deep bathroom, so there's a lot of space in here. A lot of counter space, room to tuck something underneath the sink, like a little shelf of your own. There's a shelf over here as well, over the counter, and then the tub and shower in this full bathroom. At the back of the room, we've got the kitchen and the last bedroom. So let's go see this last bedroom. This one is the largest of the bedrooms. You can see we have 2 generous windows here. Nicer full-size windows. Same furniture. Now the way the closet is set up in here is another open concept closet, but it does have a lot more space. Okay, so this is bedroom number 4. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. Coming around towards the kitchen, we have the stove. This is a gas stove. We don't have very many of these in any of our apartments, so if you like gas stove cooking, this is where we have them right now. Some good cupboards in here. There is a dishwasher. And look at this fun surprise back here. We have a washer and dryer. So this is one of our few apartments that does have laundry in the unit. So a washer and dryer here in the unit for you. A window towards the back. A little dining table. And fridge over here. So that's a look at 202 Dryden Road, Apartment B, that 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath in central Collegetown, just up from the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road in the heart of Collegetown.